You can easily create and work with math equation inside of Microsoft OneNote. In order to do that, let's go into the insert menu right here, and here you can an option to insert an equation. So once you click that, you can see that there are equation types that you can choose from. Some common equations, for example, a square plus b square equals to c square. And if you want to change this out, like for example, you want to change this out, you can simply backspace it and press something else like c and so forth, and the equation has been typed down. You can also go over here and you can see that there are different equation options that you can choose from, for example, less than, greater than, and so forth as well. Let's go to insert over here inside of equation, and you can also insert a new equation right here. And once you do that, you can see that this equation option appears. So you can go to equation, you can work with the preset ones, or you can go to ink equation as we saw in the last lesson, and we can simply write down the equation of our choice right there. You can also go for normal text. So once you do that, you can type in the normal text as you can see right here. I'm going to say x, and if I want a square, you can simply go over here in something, and then you can work with the script right here. This is the square, so I'm going to click this, and here I can simply type in the x on this side. I'm going to use the arrow key, and I'm going to press 2, so that's x square. And if I want plus, I'm simply going to go over here, and then I can choose with the plus sign, the multiplication of the plus sign. The plus sign is already on my keyboard, so let me just press plus right here, not here actually, but plus, and I'm simply going to select another operator right here like this one, and I'm going to say 1 by y by, alright, so 1 by y, that's it. So that's what I want right there. And then I can also go for another equation options right here, like sign, brackets, like bracket open, there you go. So I'm just going to press 4 right there. So that is how you can simply work with equations according to what you want. So let's say I want an equals to sign right there. So there's the equals to sign right here. And I'm going to select something else. Let's say something like a radical. Alright, there you go. So that's my radical right there. So I'm going to go for 7 right there. So that's you can see that this is an equation right there, and you can allow the space just like this, place it anywhere around. So that is how you can work with equations inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.